Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Waja door handle. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and of course, your new door handle. We'll start by gently prying off the interior door panel. This gives us access to the inner workings. Once the panel is off, you'll need to find and detach the door lock rod and the door handle cable from the old handle. This is a crucial first step. Now that the rods and cables are disconnected, the next step is to remove the old handle itself. You'll typically find two retaining screws holding the handle assembly in place. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these. Once the screws are out, you can gently pull the entire old door handle assembly away from the door frame. Take a moment to look at the area where the handle was mounted. Check for any broken clips or other damage that might need attention before installing the new one. With the old handle removed, it's time to install your brand new one. Carefully place the new door handle assembly into the opening, making sure it lines up perfectly with the screw holes. Once it's in position, reinsert and tighten those two retaining screws to secure it firmly. Don't forget to reconnect the door lock rod and the door handle cable to the new handle's mechanism. A proper connection here ensures your door will open and close smoothly and securely. Finally, with the new handle securely in place and all connections made, it's time to reassemble the interior door panel. Carefully align the panel and press it firmly until all the clips snap back into their respective positions. Once the panel is back on, thoroughly test the new door handle. Open and close the door several times from both the inside and the outside. Also, make sure to check that the door locks and unlocks correctly. This ensures everything is working perfectly before you hit the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.